Now I am pulling out the Instant Pot today because I am making a recipe you've never seen before. This is our Instant Pot chicken and veggie stir fry. Let's go. For this recipe, you're gonna need some chicken, need some cornstarch, some salt and pepper, sesame seed oil, some broccoli, 2 carrots, 1 red pepper, and last some green onions. So I'm gonna take about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken breasts and cut them into like, 2 to 3 inch little strips. So to a bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We're gonna mix this a little bit and then dump in our chicken. Ooh, no touch. Then we're gonna go ahead and set this mixture aside. Now you're gonna wanna turn your Instant Pot to saute and you're gonna let it heat up for just a few minutes. Now when it's done heating up, you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of your sesame seed oil. Can you hear it sizzling? It is definitely ready to put the chicken in, so we're just gonna dump that right in. And we are gonna saute this for like 3 to 5 minutes. Now this is the teriyaki sauce I'm using. Notice it's a marinade. It's a little thinner, which is what we want so we don't have the burn notice. And so I'm only gonna do about 1/2 cup. Then I'm gonna pour it in, mix it around my chicken. Now, there's one bad thing about the Instant Pot. The newer the model, the more likely it is to get the burn notice. So I highly suggest adding about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water while your chicken cooks. All right, so we're gonna close the lid. If you have a little knob, make sure that's turned to sealing, not venting. This one automatically turns, so I don't have to push any buttons. So on this Instant Pot, I'm gonna push the pressure cook button. You can also push the manual button, and then your timer's gonna go down all the way down to 4 minutes. Then while it cooks, we're gonna cut up our vegetables. Then when the timer is up, you're gonna go ahead and release all the pressure so it'll all come out. Woo! All right, chicken is done here. Oh, it looks good. Okay, now we're a little bit of liquid in here. We're gonna mix the vegetables for a minute. Now on the instructions it says 4 minutes, but we're actually just gonna cook it for 1 minute and it will cook everything through. All right, we're gonna put our lid on. Now because we're re-cooking again, we're gonna push cancel and go to our pressure cook. And then the time we're gonna just set for 1 minute. This one you have to push start, but the other ones you can just set the time and good to go. When the timer is up, you're gonna go ahead and release all the pressure. When all the pressure's out, you can go ahead and turn your lid and take it off. Now for my favorite part is the rice on the bottom. Then go ahead and put your chicken and vegetables on top. Now you can add a little bit more teriyaki sauce if you want to. I also like to put the green onions on top. I think it tastes amazing. Now quick tip before I leave, if you notice how funny my Instant Pot was looking, this is how I store it. I put my Instant Pot on top, then I put the lid upside down on top of the base. Then just, of course, the normal base. But that way, your Instant Pot does not stink. If you notice that you're having an odor coming from your ring, this will solve your problem.